Alright folks, Roy with some more CRR news and clues while my welding rod is still smoking here. I need to remind you a little something because we got a solar eclipse coming up. Let me get this old hood off of my head and we're going to test it. Please do not look directly at the sun. Use appropriate lenses. There are channels and resources putting out the information. I'm sure you can Google it, but you're looking through a welding lens. That's the only thing you can safely directly look at the sun with. In order to test your welding lens, you direct it at the sun and see if there's any cracks that the light is shining through. Therefore, that is the required lens, and it says right here, see if it'll focus inside this thing, ANSIZ 87.1 space 1989. There's other requirements also on these lenses for these people wanting to look at the sun, but we're working on today. Let me get my ground lead off of this, and I didn't clean the darn old rusty material enough where my ground was going to go, because of course the sucker was arcing. Little zit going on. I just welded these two pieces together. I'm not going to weld the outside because I need a flush smooth surface for some sheet metal to go against, because I have to extend the wall a little bit over here to get them shelter in the winter and also from the hot sunlight. Oh, let me see if I can get this set up. Alright, got my level, because even if it ain't a perfect structure, I still don't want it looking dumbass. I want it to work well for me. Okay, almost level. It's not going to be very square because the stinking fence is not square. I had cut this out, didn't have my torch handy. It's all secured, so cut this out with an electric grinder there. Cut the side off to where it can go flush against the pipe here, and then rounded it out to where there's plenty of surface to get welded on here. Then this will be over beside the fence. Up high, I will screw directly to the tube of the chain link fence somehow. Down here, I'll have to strike an extended bit through the fence and run a couple screws in a piece of sheet metal to sit here, because I've got a workbench that needs to sit here like it used to, but before it was up on the slab in the way. I need to keep the stuff dry. I don't need all my stuff ruined from rotting, and it needs to be far enough forward that it's out of the way of whatever I'm working on. So this is what I'm going to do, but I wanted to remind everybody to be aware what's up with this event. Or I want to ask you to check out the video by my friend on NCWQ Explorer. That's pretty dang close. Providing information and the specific specifications for glasses, lenses that are available for viewing a solar event, and so forth. There's of course some others doing so also. Gregory Allison put out a video that I posted but haven't managed to watch. And again, make sure you got the right specifications on your lenses. This is auto tinting. That's part of the reason it didn't black out when we go over here and direct ourselves at the sunlight, because right now our sun is weak enough that it's not giving a strong enough light to tint that lens like my arc welding here is going to do in a few minutes when I get back to it. And please have all your necessities prepared for whatever, like usual, plenty of extra fuel and so forth. Consider reminding your store managers in the gas stations and grocery stores and stuff that, you know, when you buy out everything with your neighbors, they need a restock for the people that will be coming from all across the country to see this event. And I receive not only word through video of someone who studied and is concerned about a chance of 3 days of darkness. I've received also prophetic visions that of this possibility. I do not know if this is a darkness of the sun. I've got to wonder if the moon is the only thing going to be eclipsing with the sun. I've got to wonder if the wormwood or maybe the Herculubus, which might be orbiting the star Wormwood, whichever the case is there, I'm still trying to learn. If there may be eclipse of other things we don't expect is why there's so much concern. Or if maybe what do they call bad actors might have the intention to use that opportunity to directly target electric grids across nations. So don't let fear get to you. Absolutely don't let legacy media instill that into you. Just be prepared and consider putting out some prayers for guidance, protection. Use your Psalms 35, Psalms 91, and Psalms 144. And have a blessed day. Oh, make sure you got plenty of water, even if you catch it the way I am. Take care.